Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the Diag Elite. So this is a product which I've received to review, and it's actually the Diag device which you can connect to the car. Let's open up the case and check it out what we have got in here. So the box is pretty small actually, and these Diags are actually pretty cool. So for those who have a car, they all know that when you go to the service of the car, they usually connect the very first thing that they do is usually whether read the information from the key, or they connect pretty much the same device, something like this, to a computer, and then they read the information of the car. So this would simplify, and in this way you will have actually the Now, let's check it out, what we have got in here. So, automotive diagnostic device. So, OBD diagnosis covers vehicle that supports. Let's check it out, what we have got. So, Diag Elite, automotive diagnostic device. Turn your smart device into a professional technician diagnostic tool. So it actually explains what type of cars can be connected, anything after 1996, complete and comprehensive analysis of the vehicle health, supports full system oil level diagnosis, multiple maintenance functions, save unnecessary repair costs and reduce repair times significantly. Cool. Right, don't forget to remove the EDR from the OBD part after use, of course. So what else we have got? It's a model, what type of current it supports, the operating information, and the full text of the EU declaration of the conformity. Alright, so let's open it up. Pretty cool actually, it comes in this really nice box. Cool, really nice one. And there is a user manual as well, well actually two of them. So what's the difference here? Alright, so this is a alright, so it seems like there are like different languages here. What do we have? German, Italian, Portuguese, so many different languages. So this one is basically Dutch, Polish. So there's no English version, I think, in here. Let's see. No, that is not in this one. Maybe this one we didn't see. Let's open it completely. There we go, that's the English one. So the very first thing is actually to download the app and activate the device. So we need to basically connect the device. It connects through the Bluetooth and start to use the device. We need to go to the menu and basically start the program. Pretty straightforward. And it comes with 30 days money back, but fine. I mean, like, there are local regulations of the countries which override those. Good. Now let's open this up, see what we have inside. Oh, really small device and pretty cool. I really like this case. That's how it looks like, and that is the port. So that port actually supplies the power as well, so you can just connect it and basically then it will work. So there's a light in here, two lights, one here. So, and once you connect it, it can be connected to a Bluetooth device, and that's how we can do the diagnosis. Well, that was a very quick video. Hope you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. I will be definitely trying this on my car, and this is pretty cool. I'm very curious what type of information I can get and what would be the advantage in here. So I would later on publish another video with the usage of this. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.